Welcome back to our Transpacific crossing aboard the Discovery Princess. We're making our way from Seattle all the way to Singapore. After exploring the incredible sights of Osaka and Shimizu, we are heading deeper into Japan. In this video, we're taking you ashore to two distinct ports, the historic streets of Kochi and the volcanic views of Kagoshima. Let's get into it. First up, Kochi. We dock on a beautiful October morning. To get into town, we decided to take the shuttle provided by the cruise line. It cost $25 a person and took about 16 minutes to get from the pier to the drop-off point at the bus station. From the bus station, it's not an immediate arrival at the sites. We took a nice 20-minute walk through the city to reach our main destination. It is not a straight line to the castle either. You need Google Maps to help with navigation. And here it is, Kochi Castle. It's definitely worth the walk. This is one of the few Japanese castles that still has its original wooden keep, and one of the 12 original Japanese castles. After soaking in the history, we headed over to the famous Hirome Market. The energy here is amazing. It's basically a massive food court where locals and tourists mix together. We said goodbye to Kochi and set sail again. The next morning, we woke up in Kagoshima. Well, one of the benefits of cruising is that you can wake up in a new place every day. Just like in Kochi, we utilized the Princess Shuttle for $25. They drop us off right at Yokado Kagoshima, which is across the street to shopping malls. Now, we decided to get a little exercise. From the drop-off, we walked about 30 minutes uphill to the Shiroyama Park Observation Deck. It's an elevation gain of about 300 feet. So be prepared for a bit of a workout. But the effort was absolutely worth it. The views from the observation deck are spectacular. Across the bay, we can see the volcano Sakurajima. Fun fact, it erupted 2 weeks after we returned from the cruise. Now, if you don't feel like hiking up that hill, I've got a tip for you. You can catch the City View bus. Look for stop number 4. It'll take you right up there. That same bus is also a great way to get to Sanganan, which is a traditional garden and another very popular stop for visitors. Japan continues to amaze us with every port, from castles in Kochi to hillside views in Kagoshima. This leg of the journey was unforgettable. Next stop, we're leaving Japan and heading towards Taipei. Please like and subscribe. Don't miss our next chapter for our Trans-Pacific adventure. Thank you for watching.